Hey guys, I'm here today to help you unbrick your Q1 Pro. I think this will work on any of their machines. I think they all have the same board or so. Anyways, this is, you'll take the plastic off the back of the machine and you will have, I'm pointing right here to the eMMC. It has 2 Phillips screws. You undo the screws and pull this chip off. Once you pull the chip off, you will install it into your thumb drive here. You see it has outlined the EMC and direction. You put it, the outline just like that, into the slot because you can put it both ways. It will look just like this, that direction out, and then you're on that reader. So once you install on the reader, I downloaded the image right here, that one, and unzipped it, and installed it on using the Balena etcher right here. But first, before I did this, I deleted the everything that was on the EMC and formatted it with fast. I think it was FAT. So I reformatted it, and then I picked the file that was unzipped and selected the USB and flashed it. Then once I did that, I installed it back into the machine and booted it up. I had problems after this. It said the UI did not match the firmware. So after that, I turned the machine off, went and got a USB and went to their firmware because it wouldn't let me just hit through the UI, wouldn't hit update firmware. So I had to forcibly make it update. So I took the newest firmware for this machine right here, went to their GitHub, downloaded it, and unzipped it. And when you unzip it, you will get these 2 files, the UI and the COC. It will look like this when it'll be one folder and say Qidi update. So you need to go inside and you have these 2 files. You need to delete the UI one, delete that, and delete that. And so I'll do that with you. This is how I did it. So this is my UE here. I went to let's extract it. So we'll go back. Like if you were extract 2, then my boom. So extracting. Okay. Go to, so now you have this. So you go inside this, you delete the UI, hit yes, then you double click this, or you can right click rename. See, 2 slow clicks, or I think you can right click and rename. So you right click and then rename. So you delete this, and I already have it, and I paste mksclient.recovery. Name it that. See, it says file type file. I will put this so you can in the below in the video, so you can copy and paste it. So you put that in there, and then you hit enter. If you notice, now the type is recovery file. It changed. So you take this, and you want to right click copy, and then you go back to your regular your USB. Now we're outside this file. What I did, I pasted it here and then deleted the old one, which right here. I deleted this, the Qidi update. I deleted that. So now you have just this right here. With the machine off, you insert this USB into the machine and you turn it on. It will take a little bit. It looks like it's just starting up normally, but once it started up, it was updated to the M.18 firmware. This one right here, and it was working perfectly. So yeah, and Qidi did not help me with any of this. It was all my research and trial and error. All Qidi did was want to send the new EMC to me, and that was going to take a while. And nobody has these in the U.S. that has these little thumb drives with this special connection. The only place I could get them from was this guy in Tennessee. It's a 3D printer in Memphis, Tennessee. It's this guy right here. Lots of 3D Memphis. This guy right here has the thumb drive. I ordered mine from him, and it was here in I think it was either 2 or 3 days. It was from Tennessee to Florida, where I'm at, and it's if you go to, I think it's shop. Yeah, here it is. If you go to shop, here's the reader. It's $12, and then with shipping, it was $20. Shipping, handling, all that. So he sells those. Real nice guy. You can actually message him through and talk to him on Facebook, and he's got a phone number. And I purchased this, and he had it packed up with a tracking the same day, and the postman picked it up the next day. So if you're going to get one, he's got excellent. So yeah, that's what I did. And if you guys have any questions, I can answer it below. So yeah, that's how I fixed my machine, and it's working perfectly. It's actually, I think, printing now. Yeah, see, it's printing right now. So it's all working. So, yep. It's running great. So, once you you have to redo all your calibrations, the bed mesh, the plate, whatever, and all that. So you'll need to redo all that. But yep, I got it working, and it's on the newest firmware and working good. So that's what I did. So I hope that helps. And you guys have a good day. Peace.